Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Audiodg.exe is causing high CPU usage on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now the first solution is to uninstall and reinstall Skype in the right manner. I'll explain this. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the apps tab, go to installed apps, search for Skype, click on these three dots here, select uninstall and it's gone. Wait for it to be uninstalled completely. Then open the Microsoft Store. Search for Skype and go to the Skype app. Click on Get and install it once again from the Microsoft Store, not from any other platform. After this, you can update the audio driver. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager window. Expand the list for audio inputs and outputs and update all the drivers, each and every one of them. Even if you are doing it for input and not for output, I'll tell you why. Because all of these drivers are connected. The next solution is to disable all sound effects. Click on the system tray, right click on the sound button, go to sound settings, scroll down, click on more sound settings, and then you can right click on the output device, select properties, go to enhancements and make sure that you have disabled all enhancements. Then go to the recording tab, right click on the active microphone or whatever input recording you have, select properties, and if you find any enhancements here, then disable that as well. The next solution is to run the audio troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters. Click on run corresponding to the audio troubleshooter. The last solution is to scan PC with an antivirus. Now how would you do this? Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Click on Scan Options, select Full Scan and then click on Scan Now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.